Okay, so I made a house completely made out of cardboard, and that's how it came out. Here's the living room, TV, the couch, and I used some Legos. And then the bathtub, and this is supposed to be the rug, the toilet, the stairs, the bed, if I can. The bed, and it's a pretty big room. So, and then here is here's the dog, the stove, the cupboard, the sink, the table, and the chair. Okay, so that's my house. Now the sink is just like that, and here's the cupboard, and that, stairs, upstairs. Now the bedroom is the biggest part of it. All that underneath there. All that room way down there. But I'm not done making it yet. And here's the dog and the stairs. And it's all completely made out of cardboard, and I used a cardboard box. Like that. I did one with the tap, so when something goes on top, it won't get squished. So it could just go like that, and it'll be safe and secured. And I used tape and glue. And I tried to paint it. I tried to color it all blue, but it was hard. So it could be like water, so that's the best I can do. And the bed, I did polka dots for the mattress. The little TV, stove, dog. The dog is supposed to be a poodle. And while I was painting and everything, I got a mark there. And my car is over here. So it could be like that. And get the driver. Driver like that. And like that. Okay. So there it is. And yes, it took a long time to make this. Especially this. This took me to make about for an hour. And that's cotton. Okay, so that's all. And yeah, so goodbye.